Welcome to another video in our XXOTO software tutorial series. In this video, we will explore the copy function, a simple yet powerful tool that allows you to duplicate your data efficiently. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to use this feature to streamline your design process. Let's get started. The copy function does exactly what it suggests. It copies the data you want to duplicate. An important aspect of this feature is its flexibility to work not just within the same canvas, but also across different canvases. Let's go through the steps to see how it works. To begin, select the data you wish to copy by drawing a box around it. Then click the Copy function. Move your mouse to the editing area and you will see the copied data appear. Position your mouse where you want the data to be placed, and click the left mouse button to confirm the location. Now, let's look at copying across canvases. Select the data you want to copy. Click the Copy function, then switch to a different canvas. Click the left mouse button to confirm the position on the new canvas. Once copied, the data can be further manipulated using features like super nesting or other editing tools for subsequent operations. Cross-canvas copying is particularly useful when you want to cut multiple models on a single canvas, making the process very convenient. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to use the copy function effectively.